Get strong.
Hi everyone, it's Lisa from the Stoney Creek School of Art. Today we're going to be drawing a cute cartoon watermelon slice. So what you need are a pencil, an eraser. I have my kneadable eraser that I can squish. You need a black marker for outlining, and then you need some colors, markers, pencil crayons, pastels, anything goes. Okay, so we're first going to start with an upside down V. So this is going to be the slice of our watermelon. So from this top area, the very top point, I'm going to do a small line on a diagonal, not going all the way to the corner of my page, but not going straight across. Now down on this end, I'm going to do the same angle. So I'm trying to make them the same direction. Once you have that, then you're going to join the lines together. Now already we're seeing a little bit of dimension. So from this corner, I'm going to join it to this corner with a curve. Kind of like a smiley face curve. And this corner, I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to join it together. So that's created the rind of our watermelon. I want my watermelon to have a bite taken out of it. So I'm going to kind of do a wobbly shape like that. And then with your eraser, you're going to erase that line in the watermelon. So now it looks like a chunk is missing out of it. I'm going to do his eyes down here. So 2 big circles. And I'm going to do the type of eye that has a circle for the pupil and another circle for the shine. Like that. And I'm going to give my watermelon a nice smile, an open smile. Kind of also looks like a watermelon shape. Maybe some little eyebrows like that. And now we can add the watermelon seeds. Just kind of all over, not too many. And with the watermelon, it's a beautiful pinky red color, but then it kind of fades to a lighter pink or like a white. So I'm going to kind of do a squiggle line here, even into the side. That's going to be where the color stops. Perfect. So next we get to trace. So remember, I'm stopping where my bite is taken out of my watermelon slice and going around. You don't have to make this line straight. If you make it a little bit wobbly, it'll look a little bit more cartoony, a little bit more natural. Like that. Cute black seeds. I'm going to color them in with my Sharpie as well. There are some seeds in the watermelon that are also white. You could add those in as well if you wanted to. I like to color my eyeballs in at the same time that I'm doing my outlining because I have the marker in my hand already. So it just makes sense to do it now. Great, so now I'm done tracing. Next, I'm going to erase and I'm going to color. And there you have it, a beautiful juicy watermelon slice with a cute cartoony face. I added some darker and lighter green into the rind of the watermelon to look more like that beautiful sort of pattern that the watermelon has. And I also used a lighter pink down at the bottom of my darker pink for that transition for the sort of more bold color to the lighter washed out pink to the white. But you can do whatever you'd like, and I'd love to see it. If you can tag us on Instagram with the hashtag Stoney Creek School of Art. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!